Look at that shimmer and shine. Is that simple elegance? What do you think does that? Check it out. Come inside. Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I had a few little technical difficulties with my recording here. And I'm doing a voiceover. I'm going to have to speed it up right from the beginning because I have absolutely no idea what happened here. All of a sudden, my phone went to slow motion and I didn't touch it. So I'm going to list the paints. I'm going to list the paints down below. You are seeing them on the screen here. So I will, I'll start here with this little piggy, and that was Golden Peach. Previous to that was this little piggy Grenache and Amsterdam Expert Series Quinacridone Rose, and the last one here was Master's Touch Persian Red, and my cell activator is this little piggy Ore. I'm using a wooden, it's a wooden heart that I got from Michael's, and it is 3/4 inch thick. It's wood. And I'm using Quinacridone Rose. Nope. I'm using Winsor Newton Permanent Rose. In my color to go from Sherman Williams on my pillow. Okay, got that down. Okay, so this is about the spot where it goes slow, so I'm going to stop this video and just speed it up from here because I have no idea why this happens. See, as you can see, look how slow that got. I'm going to have to bring my phone back in tomorrow. Oh, so just give me a second here. Okay, so I'm speeding it up about 4 times. 4 times. And hopefully that's enough. Still might be a little too slow. So, just putting down my pillow here. And I did decide that I was going to do a swirl. Before this, I was going to do a transfer swipe, and then I changed my mind. I thought with the heart, a nice little swirl, a reverse palette with the palette knife would be nice. And here I'm just taking out a few of the bubbles. I'm going to pull you in a little closer. That's about as close as I can get without getting the heart out of frame. I'm stirring that up, and this is looks like Grenache. Yeah, that's Grenache. That's beautiful. Nice and shiny. I'm just going to make a little puddle in the middle. And I'm going to alternate dark to light. So next I'm going to be using, I think it's the Master's Touch. Yeah, Master's Touch Persian Red. Then next is the Amsterdam Expert Series Quinacridone Rose, which is a beautiful color. And then after that, we have this little piggy, Golden Peach. And And I did decide under my cell activator, I was going to add some boom gel. I decided that the last minute. And I did use the boom gel flame tree red. Now I'm getting my This Little Piggy or cell activator. And I did disperse that in a little alcohol. I was going to try something a little different. I think it was Waterfall Acrylics that dispersed her cell activator in, well, it wasn't her cell activator. I think she was just actually using it in her regular pour. But I was going to try it. So I just dispersed it first in some 91% alcohol. And then I added my Floetrol. And that's what I did here. And now I'm just grabbing my palette knife. And I'm going to turn on my... turning on my pottery wheel. Oh, actually what I'm doing right now, I'm sorry, and it is out of frame. I'm putting some, I put some boom gel on my palette knife, and I put some cell activator on my palette knife. And here we go, turning that on. And actually that might look like the Grenache, not the, yeah, that might be the Grenache that I put in there. So here I'm doing my swirl right on my pottery wheel. And here we see those cells popping right away. And this did look quite beautiful right from the get-go. So I stopped it and took a good look. I really loved the way that looked right away. I love the way all those pinks played together, and how that red was popping through, and that golden peach really gave it a nice shimmer. So I'm looking at it, and I decided, well, let's give this a go. Really think that this was coming out beautiful. Look at that shine. Look at that Grenache coming through. Beautiful cells. I actually love the way, I love when it comes like that with that little round, I don't even know what you call it, but I love it. I love it when it's like that. I love those when the cells are round in that little round circle and that swirl. Just trying to stretch it to just a little bit, just a little bit to one way, pushing it down just a little bit, just ever so slightly. I don't really want it to come to the end of the point, just wanted it to come down a little bit. That golden peach is absolutely stunning. Just checking my sides. This was a great piece from Michaels. 3/4 of an inch is really, it was really nice, and it wasn't much. It was only a few dollars. Sorry about that glare in the middle. Just touching that up a little bit. Now, mysteriously, right after this, for some reason, it goes back to the regular speed. Here we are. This was great. This really was. Look at that grenache. Wow. Absolutely stunning. Okay. Let's remember that we have this collaboration, Brian's Toy Express, on this Saturday and Sunday, and you can just look in the description below. There's a playlist, and there's also a list of each person in the collaboration. My premiere is 1 Pacific, 4 Eastern on Saturday. So please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button with that notification bell. I appreciate every time you come and every time you comment. Thank you, everyone. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today. Bye-bye now.
I have no regrets, only forget.
Be safe out there.
Oh, a big thank you to life for giving us end. Oh, when the timing's right, there's no wasteland. Oh, we were just children, acting like adults.